Let's look at this OBD Resource BM560 car battery tester. You can test 6 volts or 12 volts. It can test regular, AGM, AGM spiral, gel, and deep cycle batteries. It's compatible with cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, ATVs, SUVs, boats, yachts, and mowers. It can test your battery both in and out of your vehicle. It can also test your cranking and charging systems. Enough talk, let's go ahead and hook it up to this battery and test it out. My battery is rated 700 cca. I'm going to go ahead and connect the positive to the positive terminal and the negative to the negative terminal of the battery inside my vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and run a quick test by clicking check, 12 volts, in vehicle, regular flooded, CCA of 700, and done. That's it. It only takes a second and my battery is normal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful and informative.